Hello, my name is Mia and I am the founder of Beads and Stones Jewelry. On my YouTube channel you will find easy and fast, this is the keyword, tutorials for different bead weaving techniques that will help you create your own earrings, necklaces, bracelets. I will post every single Friday, I think in the morning of every single week. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can get the latest tutorials as soon as I post them on YouTube. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram, and in the description below you will find the links. Please comment on this video and introduce yourself. Ciao ciao!